First accessory I'd recommend getting with your Cybertruck is the AirFit card holder cases from Spigen. Comes with 2 of them, one for each of your Tesla keys. Basically it's 2 plastic pieces, a carabiner. You can put an air tag and your Tesla key in, and you clamp it together, and then you have basically a trackable Tesla key, 2 of them, and makes it to where you can have a carabiner and basically have a keychain like regular keys to attach your air tags, your other keys to your house or your apartment or whatever. And then there you go. Got these, they're trackable, you won't lose them. I've definitely been locked out of the Tesla without having the Tesla key and my phone died. It sucked. Definitely want to get these as a first accessory on Amazon. Link is going to be in the description. The second accessory I would recommend for your new Cybertruck is obviously a glass screen protector for your front and back screen. 18.5-inch screen up front, 9-inch screen on the back. You can get this. It comes with both of them. It's glass. You might as well protect these touch screens that you're going to use more than anything in this car. So let's put it on. Small one for the back screen. Large one for the front screen. First, we need to put the screen into screen cleaning mode. Here, display, screen clean mode. I'm gonna take one of these, open it. We're gonna first use the lint-free cloth to wipe it down. Now we're going to use the wet wipe, wipe it down. Now that we've done that, we're gonna wipe it off with the same towel. Now we're gonna use the dust removal stickers to get any dust that we see still on the screen. It's also probably best to have your air conditioning off when you do this. You're now going to take 3 of these and put it on the center, left, and right of the top of the screen. This is to help hold the screen protector in place while you install it. Good one. 2. 3. Okay, we got 3 on there now. We're going to now take the glass screen protector out. Damn, it's a big screen protector. Probably shouldn't do that. So we're now going to fit the screen protector to the screen and try to line up all the corners. As soon as we do, we're going to push down these stickers to hold it into place. Okay, it's fit to the corners, square. You do want this little sticker on your upper left corner. I'm going to take one of these additional stickers. I put this sticker here to be able to lift the screen up when I need to without touching the back of the screen. We're now going to take another big dust absorber sticker, lift this off of here, clean any additional dust that we see, and then we'll put it back down and install it. Okay, that's all I can see. We're now going to tear off the backing of the screen protector. Now we are going to put this into place. Try to align it good as we can. And then all we should have to do is touch the center. Just like that. And it should fully adhere to the screen perfectly. And you also have these squeegees. If you do have any air bubbles like we have right there, have this squeegee, move it right up and out. Make sure everything laid down good. You can take these off now. Just Smooth everything out, make sure there's no air bubbles. Okay, it looks beautiful. Got a little hair right there. I'll just gently lift this off. Stick this back there. Boom. Perfect. So that's how you fix that mistake. Just gently peel it. You don't want to crack this, but you also don't want to live with dust and hairs behind this thing, so you might as well get it right while you do it the first time, and then you don't have to ever worry about it again. That's it. Hold the exit. Boom. Done. All right, now let's do the back screen. All right, first thing you may want to do when you get back here to be able to get some more room to put this on, you can go to right there, and then you can push this seat up from back here. It'll give you some more room, always great. We are now going to repeat the process for back here. Today we're going to go to screen cleaning mode. Now we're in it. We're going to get the dry cloth first. Clean it. Now we're going to get the wet wipe. Right there. 1 second. I'm going to turn the AC off back here, so you do not get dust. Go back to screen cleaning mode. Wipe it with the wet wipe one more time. Now, one more time with the dry. Now we're going to get big dust sticker here. Get any dust that we see. We're now going to take smaller glass screen protector out of the package. We're going to take one of these hinge stickers, take it off. I think one on the top is sufficient. I'm going to line up the screen. Actually, you see here, this actually has these cutouts here and matches that. So this will actually need to go in the bottom right. See that? These actually match up here. So this sticker needs to go on the bottom right. And we'll attach this up here, just to give it some support. We're going to get this as perfect as we can. Push this down in here. And we're going to take our dust sticker. Look one more time for any dust. Now we're going to take protective film off. We're going to go straight down with it. We're going to push in the middle. Perfect. We're going to take our squeegee tool for any bubbles. Make sure it's sitting down well. I like to go around the perimeter, make sure it's sitting down well. Take this sticker off now. Nice. Good. Awesome. That's it. Now you have both of your screens in here fully protected with glass, and we're good to go. While we're back here, this brings me to my top third accessory that I would suggest for your new Cybertruck. Right here is basically a trash bag for your Cybertruck. It actually comes with trash bags that you can clip onto here. There's a light right here. I have yet to figure out how the light comes on, but supposedly it's supposed to come on. So if it's supposed to come on as soon as you buy it, then I'll have to just get a new one. But I still highly recommend this, with the light or not. It's magnetic, so you can reach back here instead of putting trash in your new truck. I got all this trash back here. It's perfect. Just take this stuff, put it right in your trash bag, not in your door. Right here, it all goes in. Perfect. And instead of it being open and rolling around in here, it's strapped to the back just to your seat pocket. Go like this, it's closed, looks nice, slim. That is my highly suggested third accessory for your Cybertruck. All right guys, the fourth accessory I'd recommend is a magnetic car phone mount. There's a million of them, doesn't matter which one you get. I'll have the link to this one in the description. This one has 3M tape that basically just sticks back here and is able to fold back into itself and disappear. I like that feature about it. That's why I got this one. They have some that have built-in chargers and a million different other ones. This one I got from Amazon. Link will be in the description below. Let's install it. In the box, you get the magnetic plate. Also get a cleaning cloth. 3M tape for the back. Magnetic mount. This is what holds onto this right here. And you see, folds all the way back, disappears behind the screen. This is a 3M adhesive removal card. Use it to remove 3M adhesive. This is if you did not have a magnetic ring or MagSafe on your phone. Some cleaning wipes. This button right here actually can move this out and in, which is pretty cool. Okay, first we're gonna attach these two. We're gonna unscrew that, put that in there. Gonna unscrew this portion, stick that together, screw it back on. Boom. Now we're going to attach this to this. First, we want to clean the area back there. Got some cleaning wipes. Open them up. Boom. Take this, dry it. Boom. And now that we've cleaned back here, I'm just going to find the place where I'd like my phone to be. And we're going to put it on this flat portion here, not this curved. You want to put it on the flat. So I'm just going to find where I'd like this to be. I want it a little bit higher than the steering wheel, which you could adjust. I think somewhere right there. I'm going to take this off. Find this spot. Make it as level as I can. About there. Get a little bit farther down. Right under the crease. Right there. Boom. So hold it. Once you got where you want to, hold it there. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Boom. There you go. Got your piece. Folds back there. Can't see it anymore. Well, I can see the hinge, but you get the point. If you don't want that whole thing sticking out, boom, and I can always move this back to where I can't see it anymore. Boom, can't see it anymore. If I need my phone mount, just bring it out. I can adjust it. I can adjust this, turn this. That's how it looks. And take this off. Boom. Just put the phone. Boom, just like that. Boom. Looks nice, clean. Whenever I want to not see it anymore, just push this back. Boom. Can't see it. Just like that. Boom, and now it's gone. Which is a feature why I liked this specific car phone mount and why I got that one. So that is the fourth accessory I would recommend. Let's move on to the fifth and final accessory I would recommend for your new Cybertruck. All right, y'all, the fifth and final accessory I would recommend for your new Cybertruck is protective mats for the bed, the cooler, and the frunk. This package from Amazon actually includes all three for the bed, the cooler, and the frunk. Again, all the links for all of these items will be in the description below, including this. I thought it was a good deal for all three of them. You protect all three at once. I would highly recommend it. So this is my 5th recommendation. Let's put them in and see how they look. Looks like it has all the cutouts. Obviously this needs to sit in the sun for a little bit. If it goes in this way. Yep. So look at that. Fits perfectly. This does need to you need to just leave the bed open for a little bit while the sun makes this layout. Every time you get some of this stuff, it's folded so many times that it needs time to just lay out, but you can already see that it's how this trunk goes. It's bigger out here and smaller up there. You can see this perfectly fits it. Once it lays down flat, you still get access to your opening. Boom. So let's take this stuff out and put the cooler one in now. Grab this one. Sure. Lines up the bottom. See, all lines up. Looks great. Now you can put all your stuff back. Let's put the one in the front now. Line it up. Again, with this, it will sit down flush as soon as you put down things into it. That's it. Alright guys, that is my top 5 accessories for the new Cybertruck that I would suggest for you. Everything that I listed today, the links for it will be in the description below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.